So today we are in Christchurch in Dorset, not far from our showroom, and we have just completed this Cabinex outdoor kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be talking you through the kitchen and everything it's got in it.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
So amazingly, this is the hottest day of the year so far. It's absolutely gorgeous out here, and we're in this beautiful home. It's a really modern home, and you can see that they've recently had the whole garden done. It's really modern. They've got these planters with the bay trees there, all the plantings. I think this is an olive tree, it's gorgeous. Porcelain tile patio with like the anthracite borders. The tiles match the house, the borders match the windows. You've got the astroturf down here. Really low maintenance. You've got this cedar garden room as well, which is really, really cool. A huge sofa here with the table as well. And then finally over here we've got the kitchen. The spec for this one, we've got this space here, and the customer already had their sofa over there and they wanted somewhere to be able to cook and entertain their friends. So we went back and forth and they decided in the end that they really like the Cabinex outdoor kitchen. So this is a modular kitchen. These come in individual units. It has got a configurator online, so you can go online, you can play about with it, you can design your own kitchen. If you need any help with that, if you're interested in one and you need help with it, just give us an email or a phone call. We'll leave the details in the description down below and we can help you through that process. So these kitchens, they're available in 4 different colors. They're available in black, ironbark, a gray color, and a golden oak. They come with the worktops as well included. There is a new worktop coming out that's a gray color. It's not out in the UK yet, but it is due soon. These are porcelain, these worktops. These are about 50mm thick. They come with the waterfalls on the end as well, so everything is enclosed. They come as flat pack as well, and they're very easy to put together. So if you're a competent DIY, it is very easy to put these units together and then fit them. Like I say, we've got these porcelain worktops. This one has got a black stainless steel sink here, and underneath that is the sink unit. So this is simply a 600 wide cabinet, and for there we've got all of the water and the waste that comes in. They've actually had their own plumber who's brought around hot and cold water from the garden room there, so that's really good. They've got both hot and the cold in there. We've got 3 drawers. Now these are really big drawers. Again, this is about 600mm wide. They're big pan drawers, so plenty of space for keeping all your rubs, utensils and things like that in there. On the corner here you can see the Gozney dome. This is the olive colour, so we put that in the corner, and what we've done is run the gas down behind the back there and brought it out into this cupboard here, which is where we stored the gas. So as you may have seen in previous videos, what we've done is we've run the gas hose from the barbecue and the gas hose from the pizza oven. We've brought them together behind, come into the back of this unit, connected them with a Y connector with valves on it, and then we've got one hose coming out that clips into the tank there. So you only ever need one tank. You can keep a spare one if you want around the back, so if you do ever run out, it's simply a case of swapping it over. So next over here you've got the Beefeater Pro line. This is a 6-burner barbecue. This is the hooded version. There is also a flat lid version, which is exactly the same size, except the lid is about 40mm high, so it's really low profile. Completely stainless steel. You've got the temperature gauge on the front. It's got 6 burners inside there. This is probably about 1 meter wide by about 500mm deep. Cast iron grills. You've got the hot plate there, the grills either side, and then you've got a warming shelf above it there. This is a huge barbecue. You're going to be able to feed lots and lots of people with this. Underneath there, this is the undergrill unit. So these are simply double cupboards, and you've got a huge space under there for storage. There's actually electric under there. I forgot to mention in this one as well that we've put a wire there. So we've brought the wires through there. They're going to put a double socket on the back, and that is so they can plug in their festoon lights that go all the way around the garden. They can plug those in there, and they also have a spare socket for just other bits and pieces, phone chargers, things like that. I think the customer's got a beer pump as well. I'm not sure if that needs electric, but anyway, he's got it there. Underneath here we're going to put another socket, and that will be for the fridge, and again there'll be a spare one under there for other bits. Coming along to here, this is the Cabinex fridge, which is a black fridge that matches the kitchen perfectly, so you've got plenty of space in there for keeping all your drinks and your food cold. So there you go. This kitchen was installed in one day. We started it at about 9:30 this morning. It is now 10 to 3, so easily done in a day. It's a brilliant kitchen. It's really contemporary. It matches this garden perfectly, and I think the customers are going to have lots and lots of fun entertaining their friends and family here. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more like this, I'll leave a link up here. So if you're looking for inspiration or your just ideas for an outdoor kitchen, make sure to subscribe to the channel and set the alert button, because then you'll get alerted every time we bring out a new video. We try and bring them out once a week. We also have Instagram and we have Facebook, so head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.